What's up, guys? Day Train Knockouts here. I can't get my phone passcode to work. This piece of shit. Um, but yeah, I got another video for you today, guys. I'm a little bit tired, so I'm not gonna probably be as energetic. I'll still be retarded, but it's okay. I'll still be the same. He laughed at it. So, overall, in regards to what we're going to be talking about in today's video, we're just going to discuss exactly how to prepare for tomorrow's session and really just go over a brief summary on what happened on today's session. So, from a price action perspective, we did move upwards, a very stair-like choppy type of trend day, if you could call it a trend day. It was like a very, very shallow staircase type of a look, if you get what I'm saying. And we didn't really make any significant movement to the upside. In fact, it looked like more of a struggle from the buyers to make anything significant happen. And they weren't able to bring things up farther, really past the all-time highs too significantly overall. So that's why overall into tomorrow's session, I'm not going to be having too much of a difference. In fact, we're still somewhat going to be using some of the setups that we use today. Just a little bit of a variation has changed. And I've also narrowed down the type of trades I'm going to take tomorrow because there's really only two scenarios that I see as possible as potential setup. So when you look at the internals, just real quick, we'll look at that. It shows that the buyers actually on all of the three internals we got on the dollar sign ADD, the dollar sign tick, and the dollar sign Vold, it looks like they try to make an effort. They barely were able to make an effort in the morning, and midday they tried, and then they died off. Same here, effort, and then it starts to die off. Effort, and it starts to die off, and look pretty insignificant there as well. So basically what that makes me think is that momentum is dying off, and what become more and more probable is that institutions start to look like as if they're more and more content where they're at. Again, anything's possible. We can continue up or we can move down. However, all I'm saying is that when we look at the setups I'm going to be going over, first off, I'm just going to go over the setups to avoid, make it real quick and simple for you guys. The bullish scenario that I got, because I got one bullish and one bearish scenario. The bullish scenario we got, I'm not going to take that trade until we hit that alert, and then we get a solid 15-minute pullback. Again, like I said the other day, I don't want up, sideways consolidation, then up again. I want up and pullback, and then we continue back up after we get in at a discounted price. And then I'm not going to take any trades between the areas that I have $549.43 and $547.06 in between where I have the setup placed. And the regular things I always discuss: don't chase the market, have higher stands for my trades, don't take any trades without the proper 15-minute higher time frame confirmation. That's mainly it. And obviously adjust my trades and setups depending on if we have a gap up or gap down open on tomorrow's session. So the bullish scenario that I got is similar to yesterday. It will be looking for uh, a test here at $549.43. After we hit that, I would be looking for a 15-minute pullback. Anywhere below, I would then look for a 15-minute chart pattern for the bulls. And our targets would be $551, and then $552 would be the optimal target. And the only bearish scenario that I got would be to look for to hit the price level of $547.06. Look for any 15-minute bull bearish confirmation there, and we will be looking to break through all of this area of weak participation, because as you can see here from the Monday session, we have low volume and we don't have a whole lot of TPOs on each. In fact, even when you look at this, it was a double distribution trend day type of day on the Monday session. So as you can see right there, weak participation. If we can get here, there's a possibility and potential for a strong move to the downside if that was to occur. But again, don't be biased on our side. Go along with what the data tells you. With that being said, there's really not much else to cover. So I'm always happy to do this, guys. Stay safe, stay green, and stay smart with the traders and stick to your strategy. Later, guys.